Get off. Get off. No, you can't touch it. Ow! Damien, you're smushing me. Ew, you're drooling on me and smushing me. Damn. Damien. Ew. Ew.
Wipe it off.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It still probably smells like spit on skin, though, and that's disgusting.
No, it's not. It's just wet.
Oh, it's just wet?
Yeah.
Does it smell? It does. Don't lie. Does it smell, Damien?
Huh?
Does it smell?
Nope. Ew.
Nyan,
Huh?
did you go on an airplane today?
Yes.
You did?
Yes.
You're so swaggerific. Where did you go? Damien?
Huh?
Where did you go on an airplane?
Florida.
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 Yeah. Damien, say 305, huh? 305, huh? 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 Did you get a tan?
Yes.
Say, I'm black.
I'm black.
Okay, good stuff, Damien. I'm glad you had a very educational vacation.
Vacation.
And did you find seashells?
Yeah.
You did, and they're beautiful.
Here we go.
All right, Damien, say bye.
Bye. Bye.
Say bye to the fans.
Bye, fans.